Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room show. And lately I've been providing shows about weird radios. Well, and I just did a couple of shows about this radio, which is kind of a weird radio. It's actually two complete radios in one. It's the TEF 6686 based radio with its firmware, and you can switch by just hitting the power button to the SI 4732 based radio. And so you get two complete radios in one box. And I'm struggling with this because if you switch back and forth, you can get confused because they're quite different the way they operate. Well, talk about confusion. I just got an email from Banggood about a new radio, brand new radio. I would call it a Frankenstein. Yeah, let me show it to you. Here it is. Look at the thing. It's got four antennas. This is the new ESP138D ESP32 radio from Banggood for $80. Banggood usually has pretty good discounts on equipment such as radios and electronics. But this thing I don't think it's even real. Maybe Fred in the Shed. Fred in the Shed has an association with Banggood, and Banggood always send him the latest new radio. So I'm hoping Fred in the Shed will get this radio and review it and show that it's real. So look, let me go a close up here. It's part of the circuit board is actually exposed. See the connections here? And look down here. It's actually a skull and bones. Well, actually it was like a skull and wrenches. And on here it says ESP-DIB. I guess that stands for development. And see that the buttons here are not even, it's like the case is missing. Let me sort of go down here and get some other pictures. There, you can see it's two circuit boards sandwiched together. Pretty small. I don't know if one of these antennas here, the first one on the left, if that's telescopic. And why are there four antennas? This is so insane. It's unbelievable. There, the circuit board, it's exposed. Got two connectors on the bottom, looks like USB type connectors. Let me see what it says down here. Okay. Supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4-inch screen. Yeah, it's the typical screen. Dual architecture of the TEF 6686 and the ESP32 Plus SI 4732 system. Oh my gosh. And then, yeah, it's a dual system similar to the one I'm reviewing right now. There's the bands it covers. Show more. We'll see what's Bluetooth, speaker, screen, antenna, telescopic antenna. So that first one must be telescopic. Touch screen, apparently. Different interface here. This looks totally different than I've seen on the other radios. What is this Frankenstein? Is it real? This is insane. This is totally insane. And of course, nobody has reviewed one. I don't know if anybody's even bought one yet. I'd be a little scared about although the price is very good. Let's see when the shipment date is to me. Uh, whoa, not until May 22nd at the earliest. That's almost a month away. I hope Fred and Shed gets one of these and reviews it. I would sure be a little leery of reviewing it. But it's only $80, which is totally amazing. But boy, this has got to be a experimenter's radio, not just a casual listener. I thought I'd show it to you. Pretty amazing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that would be fantastic if you would subscribe to these weird radios I'm showing you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.